Do you want to learn real and easy English from short videos? Let's take a look at this fun video and learn all the vocabulary together. Welcome to Learn English with Iman Mohammed. Today, we're going to learn simple English words by describing everything we see in this video. Let's begin. Mario, red hat, white gloves, blue overalls, red shirt, mushroom, fork, toast, butter, coffee cup, beans, scrambled eggs, table, happy face, eyes, mustache. Great job! You've just learned all the English words from this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. See you in the next lesson with Iman Mohammed.